What's up, Marcus Artwine here. So today I'm gonna be tagging the chain cuffs. Let's pull that off, cause quite frankly, there you go. Let's try these on. Well, these are made out of plastic. They're fake. I got it at Dollar Tree, so that's pretty much it for this showcase. You can use it for Jason Voorhees cosplay with the chain around the neck or the cups, whatever you want with it. Or use it for the Friday the 13th The Killer puzzle. So yeah, don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see YouTubers in our video. Peace, bye.